respected teachers and dear fellows. You know we are celebrating today Kashmir Solidarity Day. This day is celebrated on every year on 5 February to show our love with Kashmiri brethren. You know, India is perpetrating first kind of torture on Kashmiris. But I would like to tell you something, historical facts regarding Kashmir issue. On February 5, in 1948, UNO passed first resolution that Kashmiris will be given right to self-determination. They will themselves decide that where they want to go. They want to come with Pakistan or they want to go with India. But unfortunately, still since that day, more than 7 decades have passed, but this issue is still lingering. World powers in UNO have passed this UNO Security Council resolutions, but unfortunately these have not been implemented. That is why this region, Kashmir region, has become the blood bath. Everywhere, you know, the Kashmiri people are facing what kind of tortures. More than 150,000 people have embraced Shahadat. Rape, torture, what kind of human rights violations, pellet guns, each day everything is being used. So, but the world conscience is silent. So we expect from the UNO, United Nations Security Council, Organization of Islamic Countries and world over the different powers that they should come forward and they must play their role to solve this problem. Unless this problem is solved, the humanity will be suffering like this. The blood is more cheaper than water. So this is really a pathetic, condition. Today, the Prime Minister of Pakistan is delivering speech in Azad Kashmir Kotli. President of Pakistan is also addressing the Constitutional Assembly of Azad Kashmir and entire Pakistan, all over Pakistan and rather all over the world. This day is being celebrated with tremendous jubilation. We say, कातिल को कोई कत्ल के आदाब सिखा दे, कातिल को कोई कत्ल के आदाब सिखा दे, दस्तार के होते हुए सर काट रहा है. So this is really a worst kind of situation that is happening over there. So world power should realize if this problem is not solved, even the peace of their country is in danger, at stake. On the other hand, India has revoked the 370 constitution. They have revoked it. That was giving the special status to Kashmiris. But unfortunately, the world conscious, the world powers are silent. Only China, we are proud of China, that their friendship with Pakistan is deeper than oceans, higher than Himalayas and sweeter than honey. They are supporting and they have always played a constructive role. England, America, France, Germany, Russia and other countries must come forward. They should not remain in fool's paradise. This problem must be solved. On this day, we commit and we commit our stance that Kashmir problem must be solved. This is the most old problem in UNO on Security Council, but this problem is not solved. So we implore, we request, we pressurize, we put our stance on international standard that this must be solved as early as possible. Thank you very much. Pakistan, Kashmir banega, Kashmir banega, Kashmir banega. Nare Takbir.